This is a riot, laugh a minute kind of a. It reminds me of the old Flip Wilson show. This is it's a flashback to Millie. Millie she's explaining why she can't be in her home anymore.
Let's see you set up on your hockey stance there. Yeah, that should be perfect. And then advance to when you tear. A little to your left, a little bit more.
A little tear.
In there. That's perfect.
The idea here is that Millie is distracted by all the fun and games she has in her apartment. Yet again, she's up late at night, and she's got a hockey stick and one of those red road hockey balls. I'm told I'm not supposed to say dribbling. She's stick handling the ball, and she says Upton, 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 Upton. She takes a shot right at that net over there,
Wham!
and the shot goes bam right into the ant bar.
So what happened to your place?
Late night hockey accident.
Yeah, it's the shortest scene.
I know.
There's just 1,500 shots.
All right, good.
Exactly. Perfect. Okay.
Every time I get it in the net, I want to hear something from you guys. Okay?
All right. Yeah.
You don't have to.
5 bigger, take 1. Yeah, it's smart. Here we go. And action.
Shoot! Ah! Yes!
Flash!
Oh! Ants! 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 Ants!
Millie's not all there. She's not wired up the way you and I might be. She's a different breed of cat.
Where am I shooting the puck? Hey guys, what do you say to a little pickup game before bed?
No.